Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make biscuit pudding. Let's start by preparing ingredients. First I am going to grind some biscuits and some roasted cashew and keep this aside. Let's move on to the pudding mixture. I am taking 3 tablespoons of corn flour and adding half cup of fresh milk. Then mix it until there are no lumps. Now I am going to heat up 2 cups of fresh milk and add to that half cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Mix all ingredients well and keep stirring in medium flame until bubbles start appearing. After all ingredients mixed well and bubbles start appearing, then add the corn flour mixture and keep stirring in medium flame. And if you like my recipe, comment below, as I like this. Then I am adding half cup of chocolate chips to the mixture and keep stirring until you get the thick mixture and bubbles start appearing. Now switch off the cooker and add 2 tablespoons of margarine and stir until margarine fully dissolve in the mixture. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix them, and keep the pudding mixture aside. Next I am taking 1/4 cup of hot milk and adding 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and mix them well. Let's move to the final part. First I am dipping the biscuits in coffee milk mixture and soak the biscuits well. Then adding the biscuits as the first layer of the pudding. At this moment I would like to know from which city you are joining with me, so I can personally thank you for watching my videos. Now I am adding the pudding mixture as the second layer. And I am adding some chopped roasted cashew on top of it. Then again I am adding the biscuits layer after dipping them in the coffee milk mixture. After that, adding the layer of pudding. Finally, I am adding the layer from grinded biscuits and cashew. To garnish the pudding cup, I am adding the pudding mixture on top of it by using a piping bag. Now keep them in the fridge for a couple of hours, and after that it will be ready to serve for your family and the friends. See how nice this pudding looks. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Don't forget to like and share the video, that will help me greatly. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. See you in the next video. Thank you.